being able to look at the body in this way really has opened up my ideas about what I'm capable of learning, what I can remember, how I can tie it in, and I think it does that for children too. They're very engaged and they're very drawn into it. Our instructor is just incredible in terms of being able to put real life and our bodies into what we're doing so that they really have that application.
I love it. I think it's a very immersive way to learn about the human body. Being able to create that and see how the muscles work, I think is the most powerful way the students learn. The quote outside that's on the building, "The mind cannot forget what the hands have learned," sums it all up.
I'm a very hands-on learner like a lot of kids are, and when I'm able to do that, it just opens up whole other ideas in terms of being able to think about something or to remember or process it.
I've never done this, and so I'm learning a lot. And so to imagine how a fifth grader feels about it, I think goes even above and beyond.